A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, we kick with our feet. C is for cat, that says meow. D is for dog, that barks out loud. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, in the water we call. G is for goat, on the hill so high. H is for hat, we wear nearby. I is for ice, that's cold and nice. J is for juice with sugar and spice. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that shines at night. N is for nest where birds take flight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for parrot that mimics sound. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping around. S is for sun that lights the day. T is for train that goes away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin with a sweet refrain. W is for whale deep in the sea. X is for X-ray we cannot see. Y is for yellow, bright and fun. Z is for zebra that loves to run.